What's going on, guys? We are back in the shop working on the 110 giveaway bike. If you haven't already entered, every $5 spent on my merch gets you one entry. First prize is the 110, second prize is a TLD helmet, and third prize is a 100% goggle care package. Super thankful for those guys to be a part of it. But again, check out the website. The link to the store will be in the bio of this video, so go check it out. We're really just finishing up this bike. I mean, wrapping everything up. I just got the fresh set of Dunlop tires put on this. So we're gonna go ahead and put tire stickers on and throw those on. I got a new chain as well as some new hardware. I explained in the last video that some of this got a little rusted when we were out at the beach. So gonna replace all that, throw those tires on and that chain, and then this thing will pretty much be ready to go to its new owner, one of you guys. Thank you everybody who's entered. But I'm gonna go ahead and throw this on the tripod and start working on this thing so that we can see what it looks like in its final state. So since these tire stickers are made for, you know, a normal like 21 or 19-inch wheel that's on a big bike, they don't really, you know, go around the curve of a tiny tire like 110. So I'm thinking I might just cut it into thirds, like DU, NL, and OP, and maybe place the NL first and then kind of, you know, turn the OP and the DU so it kind of follows the curve of the tire, because I don't know, it kind of looks too straight right there, and I know the rear is going to be even worse. So I'm going to try that out first. If it doesn't look that great, I can take it off the contact cleaner, but we'll see how that goes and kind of go from there. Alright, so we just wrapped up both sides. Turned out pretty sweet. Again, it just kind of matches the curve of the tire with the smaller diameter, so pretty stoked on that. Tried to match them up as good as I could. And I don't know, I just love the way that these make a wheel look. They just make it look complete, and a little reference there. Seem look really good. So now on the back wheel, we'll do the same thing. Kind of cut these into thirds and see how they look in the long run. This is going to be even more crucial with cutting them, just because it's even smaller wheel than the front wheel. So yeah, let's check this out. Alright, we got both the tire stickers put on. I'm going to go ahead and clean these up a little bit and then throw them on, and we'll see what it looks like with the wheels finally put on. And then shortly after that, we're going to go ahead and replace all this hardware, throw on a new chain. I got the old one pulled off right here. And yeah, should be pretty much complete after that. I'd say it's like 90-95% complete. Just got a few little other things to do before this thing is ready to hand off to one of you guys. Wheels are back on, looking all factory. Really stoked on the way this thing came out. Again, I've never had tire stickers on this bike, but it looks really rad. I think it kind of completes the look. Last thing we got to do, well, I guess second to last thing we got to do is replace this chain. If you watched the last video, it's really, really dirty. Disgusting, really. This started out as a gold chain, so I got a replacement. Same DID gold chain, just got to cut it to length, and then we can throw this thing on. So yeah, I'm gonna get to it right now, and we'll check in with you guys here in just a minute. So it's pretty dialed in. Tires are on, tire stickers. I got the new hardware and the triple clamps, as well as the chain, just like you guys saw. The old hardware was pretty gross, but we greased up the new stuff and got it looking pretty good. I think that's gonna do it for today's video. Thank you guys for tuning in as always. Just a reminder, you have less than 2 weeks to enter to win this bike, as well as the helmet and the 100% goggle care package. Thank you to all the sponsors that helped out with this. Do not miss the videos coming up. I got a really exciting announcement coming up, as well as a video to go along with it. I'm pretty stoked. I've been planning this for a couple weeks now, and It's finally coming together. It will be a new build on the channel. I can't say if it's gonna be a giveaway bike or a personal bike yet, but excited to show you guys what we have in store for the next build. But still, do not forget to enter this thing before it's too late. We'll see you guys in the next one. And as always, thank you guys for tuning in. See ya.
Aside from my soul.